Hey guys, welcome back. Crazy hair as usual. So a lot's been going on. I have a grocery haul for you. Bags still. So we have not been on as much. It has been so busy, so crazy. Trying to go back to work, figuring out like what needs to happen. I actually got a really good job, which is gonna cause us to relocate. So we have been looking for homes, putting ours on the market. You know, anytime you put it on the market, they want you to remove everything. So we've been semi-packing stuff on counters and what do we need, what do we not need, so that kind of thing. So prepping a house doesn't make for great vlogging, and it's just been hectic. So our house is sold. We've under contract on a house. We should be moving like the 6th of August. So on top of that, I'm doing everything for buying a house, doing everything for selling a home, you know, all the title work. Oh, people just call you constantly. And then on top of that, starting a new job and orientation. So I will be commuting back and forth. All that to say, we've kind of been doing a pantry challenge and we're fixing to hit it hardcore. I did a grocery haul. That is gonna be a monthly grocery haul, and this is low spend month. We are trying to eat things up. I do not want to move food. As it is, I have 2 freezers. So everything that we have stocked up, I'm just making meals with and doing different things, which I've showed in a couple different videos, how to use stuff. So this is for the next, and I say it's a month, but it's 3 weeks until we move. So there's gonna be a week that I'm not even here with the 2 little boys and the 14-year-old for like a week. So yeah, so I have my meals in the freezer, which are saving me. So I'll show you what I need for my meals and I'll show you my meal plan. But let me just tell you, making those meals is gonna save our life, because there's no way right now I even have time to meal prep. I might get some stuff done this weekend that I want to do, and I'll show you what it is, kind of like using everything from my pantry. I'm not going out and buying meat. You'll see a couple little things, but I'm not going out and buying a bunch of stuff. We put our cow on hold. It was actually going to go to market like in a week or so, and then it was going to be ready to be picked up, and I'm like, I do not want to move a cow all the way down here to move it all the way back. No. Doesn't sound like a good time. Let's not do that if we don't have to. So we pushed it back to the first week of August. It'll go to the butcher probably the day we close on our house, but you know, then it has to hang and stuff. So I know I'm being super chatty, but that's why we've just been crazy. I have this weekend and next weekend to pack this house. So let me show you what I'm doing. First of all, here is, it's very messy. I did this in about 5 minutes. So what I did is I just started from, like, today is Thursday, and I just planned out all the way till moving day, which is August 6th. And I just, anything that I had in the freezer. Now, like this, I have a bottle of jerk chicken marinade that I'm gonna put half of it with something to do for Saturday, and then I have another thing of drumsticks that I'll put it on, and I'll save that for a meal ready to go for after we move. But that way I use that bottle up. So what I just did is like beef stroganoff, jerk chicken, and we have frozen vegetables and we have canned vegetables that I want to get through as well. So nothing really, except we have day of brats here and brats here, and then we have the ham steaks for the pig that we'll do these 2 Sundays, and I'll make rice and beans along with it, like from dried beans. So whether it's red beans, black beans, pinto beans, some kind of bean, I'll make in here. But other than that, we didn't really need anything. Like, I think I have rice and I have pasta, so you know, beef stroganoff can go with rice or pasta. I have yellow rice I'm going to do with the jerk chicken. This is a leftover night. Baked ziti, I did get some stuff, rolls to go with that. And I got, for these 2, I have tater tots and steak fries in the freezer as well. But I needed sandwich buns for these. But other than that, everything else I have, like Mississippi roast and chicken teriyaki, different things like that, they can go with rice. other things like shepherd's pie has the vegetables in it, we're going to call that a day. So there's vegetables to go along with all of this. I didn't write it in, but I know in my freezer, I'll show you. I have like Brussels, I have all kind of stuff. So, and then I have canned corn, canned green beans, canned peas. So I have plenty of stuff to throw along with that. So that is what we're going to do. I have more than that to cover this. So if we run out, these are just dinners. I have 2 baked oatmeals that we can do in there. I have, what else? I have chocolate chip pumpkin bread. They can have smoothies. I have cereal that I stocked up on that they're going to eat through. So they have plenty of breakfast. And I'll show you some other breakfast things I have to go with like oatmeal. And then for lunch, I got some stuff for sandwiches. My kids eat leftovers, great. And then I do have things like buffalo chicken that's not on my meal plan. And I have something called cowboy beans. I have another one. I also have chili done. So if we need something for lunch, we can pull out one of those meals, and the chili and like the cowboy beans, those are things that would just be enough for like a lunch, and that would be it. Because usually I pull out 2. So we have lunch stuff to fill in as well here. So we got 1 bunch of bananas. Like I said, I wasn't going to buy zucchini, but I will eat this with eggs and different things. I got 4 of them. We have all the kids this weekend, so starting tomorrow. So I'll fry this up or saute it, or we'll grill it. I got 3 things of tomato for, I've just been missing my salads. 2 heads of lettuce. I looked at the romaine. By the way, this is Aldi's. I looked at the romaine and it just looked puny. I was like, no. So I got some lettuce. If we also, with these kind of things, I didn't get sour cream. Oh, mom fail. But like if we want to do nachos, we have plenty of nacho stuff. Cherries were $1.99 a pound. My husband loves those, is why we got those. These were 49 cents, so I got 4 cucumbers. I got 1 thing of spring mix, so we can mix some of this with this. All these I find is touch and go with produce. Sometimes their produce lasts great, other times it lasts 3 or 4 days. So this doesn't look like a ton of produce, but just know, like the bananas I don't really count, but things like this, I don't want to buy food and then have to throw it away. So that is why they're just not as much. $1.49 for a bag of lemons. And then that's all the fruits. Oh, I bought 2 pineapples. So this fruits and vegetables, maybe not quite all the salad or the zucchini. It'll maybe take us into like Monday, Tuesday. But by Tuesday, these fruits and vegetables will probably be gone. Maybe not the bananas, because I do have, ooh, right by the liquor. 2, I'm actually packing that, not drinking it. But, and that I use for, I make homemade like almond extract, and I make vanilla and stuff, and that's the best, cheapest vodka. But bananas, I already have some to start with. And then I have got some chocolate, so when you still need sweets and stressed out moments, so this is just a great brand. So we just got different things like this, and I share. I did get marshmallows because I have a box, I have plenty of stick butter, and then I have a big box of Cocoa Krispies, and I also have what is it, Rice Krispie treats. So I'll make some of those, or the kids can make some. I got 2 things of tortillas. I know it doesn't have tacos on my meal plan, but a lot of times, like when we have like leftover Mississippi roast or anything like that, you can make like a steak and cheese quesadilla out of that, and it's so good, or just a cheese quesadilla. So this is kind of like emergency, kind of not like if we need a lunch thing, I can whip up quesadillas for everybody. And there's what, like 10 in here, so that makes 5. So 1 for everybody, so that's like 2 lunches. I did get 2 things of milk. Ooh, that's my phone. I got 3 things of eggs. I still have eggs, but with these, I wanted to make sure that I could boil some and make some deviled eggs this weekend. I got 2 things of hamburger buns. 1 is for the barbecue and 1 is for the chicken patties. And these were new. These are like garlic knots I got for the baked ziti. I thought, oh, that'll be good. You just bake them in the oven. I got 2 things of sourdough for lunch meat sandwiches. I got 2 pineapple, like I said. And then I have cheese, and I also have I know. Can you give him some more, brother? I also have pepperoni, so I thought as like a little snack or like for the kids or something. So I just got some crackers because we're out. These are so good. Cracked pepper. These are like the Toll House Club crackers, and then this is just a variety pack. So I got those so they can snack on. I got a cream cheese. This is for at the end of my beef stroganoff. These were like 95 cents, and I love these breakfast patties. I cook those up. I make like a breakfast grilled cheese. So good. You can do it on sourdough too, and first I heat those up and then I put it on. So I thought I would take these. So when the kids have like oatmeal or something, I like them to have some protein as well. So I like them to have some protein with their breakfast. I also got some of this creamy Swiss garlic and herbs so they can dip veggies in it, or they can put this on like cream cheese and everything. Bagel seasoning would be so good. I got 2 things of bacon. So this is the extent of the meat. I figured we could do breakfast one weekend besides, you know, during the week with eggs. And then also this weekend we would do some bacon. So I'll cook 2 of these up. And then if we have any left over, we will make BLT, bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwiches. I got this, Never Any. Who gets this? I think this is Jennifer from A Country Life. She gets this and says it's so good. No antibiotics, no hormones. So I thought, oh, I'll try some of this. So I got 2 of those for lunch meat sandwiches. And then I got some turkey, 2 turkeys, because the girls really like turkeys. And then turkeys, like plural, 2 packages. And then I also got some sliced cheese. I got a Monterey, Colby Jack Monterey cheese, a Swiss medium, and a sharp cheddar. So that can go with sandwiches, and these are good until August 20th. So usually I would put these in the freezer, but I won't even do that because I know between my husband and my kids, if we don't eat it on a sandwich, we'll throw it on and make a chef salad or something. So this will be gone. And also I would take some of this sometimes for my lunch too. I also got one of these. Guys, these are the best. These are $3.59 for 20 of these. They cost $1. I would make a cup and a half. So easy. I just put a little bit of oil in the pan when I'm done with my eggs or after I do my sausage and flip these over a couple minutes on each side, and they turn out so good. The baby loves them. But I get these because I know those are a favorite. So we'll do eggs, sausage or bacon, and some of these as a little bit of a vegetable carb, and actually some zucchini, and that makes a great breakfast. And then I like to, and I got these. These are, everybody loves these, but these cheese curds. Again, Jennifer put me onto these. I love cheese curds. I love poutine. And so we've made it before with these. These are so yummy. And the 2-year-old loves these with some crackers. He'll eat that as a snack. And then Mama can't eat what they're eating tonight, so I got me one of those. We'll see how that is. I've been craving sausage for some reason. And then we got some of these for the kids. We need to put these in the freezer. But these were what, $2.49 for 12 bars. So an English toffee, an original, and then the cones. Just because they're going to be packing, and, you know, sometimes you just need a couple little comfort things when you are outside freezer. When you are making some changes. So that is the grocery haul. I am going to do some meal prep, I think, this weekend. I might do some cookie dough. Jay Morrell did something where she did Jiffy corn mix with hot dogs and made like corn dog muffins. I have 10 boxes of Jiffy and a ton of hot dogs, so I might make some of those too and stick those in my freezer because that would be something the kids could warm very easily. So on my next video, just look for it. I will put some of those things together. Like I said, I'm going through and just pulling stuff off the shelf and being like, what can I make with this? I made a double batch of pasta salad and used a whole can of artichokes, 2 cans of black olives, half my green olives, like just pepperoni. Everything that I had in my freezer could go in this pasta salad. And it turned out fantastic. And I had 2 bottles the Olive Garden dressing that I put in it. Super quick to make. Everybody likes it, including the 2-year-old. They ate it. It's gone. Couple lunches. You make it all at one time. It's a great thing to prep. And kids loved it. And I like it. And I need pasta for my milk supply. So that might be a little TMI. But yeah, I will show you like what we're doing, and I'll give you a tour then of our freezers, and just so you can see what we're starting with. And hopefully at the end of 3 weeks, they'll be a little lighter for moving, because he gets to move those, right? And that way it just saves them from having to move the cow and full freezers, and just saves some money. And I'm sure when we do move and I hit Costco, I'm gonna call it now, $1,500. I'm calling it. So we will see you guys all later, and we'll talk to you in the comments. Have a great day. Bye.